how to check HSBC credit card application status. So first of all, you have to just go to this HSBC official account. Just go to Google, search for HSBC. Right now, here once you are HSBC, whichever your country you're logging in, for example HSBC USA, HSBC India, etc., navigate to the credit card section. Now here there's an option of credit card. Elsewhere I cannot see any credit card option here, right? Okay, so this is a banking, this is a card option. Now here you have to look for credit card, right? Now once you are credit card section or application status page, now as you can see here, there's a no such option such as credit card status or somewhere. But here on the top right in the services section, you can see there's an option of application forms. Now here this is an application form. So for example, we cannot check the status here, but we can ask the contact us option. So you can just go to the contact us option. They will give you some of the numbers, you have to call them and they will help you to find exactly what's the status, or they will just ask some of the critical information from you and they will let you know over the phone call. Right, but if you find any option, track application or check status, which is not here or wherever on the screen, you can always look for it. For example, here in the services section in the banking, right here, there's a no such option, right, of check status or something like that. So you have to just go and call to them. So this is the only solution which you will find right now. And thanks for watching this video.